Look at that. Man, it's 12-inch jelly worms. Those are sick. But we're gonna do the Havocs today. Bam! I want to be able to cast it a little bit, so I think I'm gonna try the Skeet Reese one. Looks a little bit more aerodynamic. I just realized I didn't put deodorant on this morning. First cast with the Skeet Reese Havoc. Oh, something look like it's hitting my line, guys. Yeah, there's a fish on. Got him. That was so cool, guys. First Berkley Havoc fish. First cast. That was sick. Nice largemouth. Hope you guys are still with me here. He wanted that immediately, guys. He didn't waste any time trying to get that one. Whoops. Ah, belly flopped him. That was not good, folks. I don't think I'm going to spend a whole lot of time here today. I just want to come over here and see if I can get on something on the Havoc. Apologize for the sunlight here. Freaking blinding right now. Same as with the jig, folks. I'll just take it, slow drag it, slow pop it, let it sit for a little bit. Try and figure out what's going to get them going. Last time, it hit it as soon as I picked it up, so it's kind of hard. Oh, there goes one. Got him. Ah, oh, lost him. Definite hit, though. He got it. Alright. Not a bad little fish. Where the hell am I supposed to go here? He just threw me in the damn weeds. This Havoc though, dude. 2 fish in less than 30 minutes, I would say. When I started walking down here, it was like 35 degrees. So that's really not bad at all. There's one. Got him. Yeah, I'm thinking there's a drop off right there, dude. It might be a catfish. Oh, it was just hung. Lost him. Didn't have a good hook set. Did I already just get smacked? Yeah, I think so. There we go. Fish number 3. Understand how I make a shorter cast and messed up, and I launch it and it casts really well. Doesn't make any sense to me. Oh, there's a fish. Yep, he's on. I'm sure I need to retie. Fish seem like they're just getting bigger and bigger, guys. Nice solid fish. See how many more fish we can catch on this one Berkley Craw before we gotta go. Just want to catch a few fish until they stop biting in this area, really. Oh, there's a bite. No? Anyway, he crushed it. Spat it. Probably should just let it sit there. I'm pretty sure fish has got it right now. Fighting some gun. That's 6 fish on the Berkley Havoc. Well, 5 that I caught, I think. Something like that. There's a fish. Oh, damn. I knew I should have retied. That was the whole setup, folks. Oh. We're gonna get out of here now. About to be making my way to Fort Towson. So don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. Be right back with you guys. Well, this kind of ruined my plans a little bit. I mean, should have stayed at the K pond. Alright guys, well we made it back to the car. We're gonna go out to the K-Pine. Let's see if we can make something happen with the Berkley right here. Definitely wish I had that weight on that I lost. There's a fish. Got it. I think he's got it. Got him. Dude, these Berkley Havocs are on fire over here. I had no idea. First cast the first time I came here, caught a fish. First cast the second time, caught a fish, dude. Like, Berkley Havocs. Sick. That was kind of cool too. I just watched him eat that and he just held on to it. He did not let go. Love the craw bite, dude. All right, I think we're definitely gonna go back over there to the juice spot. I swear, if we go over there and hook up on some fish like we have been, that is just the spot to fish over here. I made an attempt to fish some other spots that didn't really work. I don't even know if I got that footage, to be honest. And so yeah, we're back out here again. Just me coming out and fishing, trying different techniques, products, and different crap. Support the channel in any way you can. If you're watching this video right now, that's all the support that I need to keep me going. So thank you guys for watching. Maybe we'll get on some more fish with this Berkley Havoc. Came all the way back here for one fish, dude. What do you guys think? Flipping craws or flipping jigs? What would you rather do? I'm not even really flipping this right now. I'm more or less just casting it. What would you rather toss though? Jigs or craws on a T-rig? Come on, man, let's do this. Let's catch another fish in this area. Ooh. Oh, that wasn't it. That's him. Got him. That doesn't sound good. Good old hook set on him. A nice little chunker there. Absolutely digging this craw bite today, folks. This is sick. Jump down there, hit that like and subscribe button. Show some support for the channel, and I promise you guys, next year, I'm gonna be upgrading my video equipment. At least that's my goal. And we're trying to hit 50 subs. Yeah, I'm about to walk up out of here. I'm done. All right, you know, one more toss here just for good measure. I see a stump. I'm gonna throw right towards that. Honestly thought that might have been a fish, guys. That is though. Oh yeah. All right, well, just like I had said, I tossed this right at the, well, not right at the log. I tossed it past the log and I kind of tried to bring it towards the log as I was pulling it back. And that's what happened. I'm pretty sure he hit it right off of that log. I'm seeing all kinds of dust stirring up right there. All right. This will be my last cast here. First time throwing the Berkley Havoc Skeet Reese design. I gotta say, this is one of my favorite craws now, folks. After today, I mean, that's, I don't know how many fish. All on the Berkley Havoc Skeet Reese design. Skeet Reese, you are doing something right with those craws, my man. Nice design. Nice bait. Alright, well thank you guys for watching. Oh yeah, I like my stunner shades. Until next time, we'll see you guys later. Jam the Man out.